took out one already. I'm about to try to take the second one out.
It's like a electrical connector type of thing.
You sure?
Yeah.
Welcome back to another episode of Rebuildz. Today, what we got is the G35. We're gonna do the valve cover again on this. So like how we're gonna do that right now. What we're gonna do is just hop straight into this video. So like, share, subscribe, drop your comments and thoughts down below. Turn your post notifications on. Don't forget to check us out on all social media links. Hey, let's go.
Come on.
Alright, so we already removed all these bolts already. So the only thing we're gonna do is lift this up. Ready? Oh, yeah, but was yeah.
Clamp.
Oh, what on the gasket too. Yeah, clamp.
That's with the fire in the waffle.
So, you can reach it?
Yeah.
So that means that you have one over this and we have one right there.
I know you got it.
No. I like you pull off one already, but I want this one. Alright, so we finally got the cover off. We left most of the bolts in still, so we're gonna just place it down. And we have the gasket on top. All right, those 6 bolts are out. So you should be able to come up. So you got one more bolt in the front and one in the back. So it should be 8 in total. 6 right here, 1 here, and 1 here makes the 8. Alright, so now that is off. We have the other gasket right here. And then now you can see that we have both valve covers. One on the left, one on the right. Now squeeze E and press E.
With a good green tab, that's all?
Yeah.
I tried it, don't like it, don't move.
Do that again, just hold it, but not broke the window, just hold it like, let me see if we can pull it up. Can't pull it from move. So look at that move. So push down and then see if you pull it. Alright. Okay, so you push down and it pull up. Alright.
So, boom bang bang. Get the wiring harness out the way.
Alright, so we got one side of the wiring harness out the way. Want that 10? You want to disconnect it?
Yeah, man, I get it fully out the way.
See him connect. Sure. When I just
I did
little plastic thing.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
underneath.
I want just the bracket can't come on. Can't even take out the bracket. Yeah. Cause I mean you can pull off the bracket and then just wait near me. Have the whole thing move forward. Supposed
don't come up at all? Oh, that little wire, yeah.
I mean, what you can do, you know. Oh. Hold on, yeah, that can come up. Yeah. There's a little clip that hold it. Hold this. Alright, see there. Alright, so
watch the small one, yeah.
yeah, one more wire on it. So yeah, because once you loosen up the side, then now you can just push it back.
Big bad super yakal. Youth. Oh well, that's the hex set this year.
Yeah, R34 GTT, we see us still. Look like probably a T10. But great in a youth.
So if you flip it over, I think our ratchet was in there. What that's the problem? Watch out. Loose.
Brother.
Right now they want to take it out to the cause nobody talk down, bro. A couple of them. And then we just talking about when I started.
It's like you already reached this so what me I do?
Check it.
Check everything. Just pull it and make sure that the seal sit down properly. R. Yeah, try. You don't want the screw, you have to drop it.
Yep. How far would I go to drop? Pass me a 10 wrench.
10 wrench.
Yeah.
But that was your problem. Just check it just to make sure everything seated properly. And if everything seated properly, then you know say yo. Say that. Yo, not. Oh, what it? I need another 10, brother. I can move faster than with it.
Another 10 what?
Huh?
10 what?
The ratchet. But don't worry, it's fine, man. Looks a part of the maintenance and then, no? Alright, so we might have found the issue. The issue it looks like was all the bolts are tight on this side, some of the bolts are not tight on this one. So, but what we're still gonna do is pull everything, make sure everything is tightened, and check the seal one last time, and then we're just gonna put everything back together. You find the socket yet?
Yeah.
So I'll take you so long to grab the socket, hombre. Pull it completely off, or now go come off it just a go.
So
Stay.
go.
Stay is like retaining.
Yeah. No, the boat will come out. No, retain. So you have to do now, you have to finish out
Oh,
the back one. Yeah, the back one.
Alright everybody, so guess what? I'm finally back from Japan. It was a blast. I had a whole bunch of fun. It was very exciting. Got to work on that G35. So I didn't really get to record as much as how I wanted, but now we're back in the States and we have some stuff done. I'm gonna show you a small snippet of the video of the car actually running and everything working properly on that car. So fingers crossed that that was the only thing. I think my friend ended up not tightening that side, all the bolts up top. That's why it was leaking oil. But anyways, that is done. Now what I'm gonna do is see if we could get some stuff done in the States, because you know we've been gone for a while. The fun is done, so now we just gotta hop back straight into the video. I know a lot of y'all miss me. A couple of y'all, I did a couple of lives here and there. A couple of people thought that, you know, something happened to me or what. But as y'all know, Rebuildz is here again. But anyways, thank y'all for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed the little snippet, even though it wasn't as long, and I'm sorry about that because my camera ended up dying and a whole bunch of stuff. And who were there on the live, y'all know my phone end up dying as well. But anyways, thank y'all for watching this video. Nothing, just me and a couple friends turning wrenches and talking. So, but anyways, stay positive, stay motivated, and guess what? We are out.